then we don't have to do dishes.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks, alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. We're going to take you another full self-drive aerial perspective video of Tesla's 11.4.9 full self-driving software stack. If you are liking this content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this insane YouTube algorithm, and we greatly appreciate it.
Stopping for traffic control. That was a short light.
Yeah, no kidding. I mean, I guess
Gringo.
it was. I guess it didn't have to be a long light, but
Still, gringo. Red light. Green light. Red light. All right. Giving it a little bit of encouragement. Giving it quite a bit of encouragement. Still some encouragement. There we go. Okay, now we picked it up. Excellent.
You can do it.
Okay. Now it should yield because we don't know if that truck's going straight or not, but we're going anyway, so okay. Signal. No, don't stop. Because if he was going to hit you, you were already in front of
I was
him.
gonna say, would you like to get T-boned?
Hey, I didn't disengage on accident this time, though.
That is true.
There was no human error on that one.
That's true. It hasn't impressed me with roundabouts yet.
There hasn't been a major jump in roundabout improvements like there was a couple builds ago where I was like, oh, I'm actually comfortable letting it at least try.
Like
For a
trying
long
it.
time, I wasn't even comfortable. I was like, oh, hell no, I'll just do it. And there's still some roundabouts that I'm like, like, I'd rather just do.
Yeah.
The lane diving, though, that's getting me.
Yeah, the lane diving's getting old.
Yeah.
I can go faster if you need to.
I'm going this above the speed limit.
Okay.
People are just in a hurry on January, apparently. Feeling the pressure for Valentine's Day.
I know. Have you purchased that gift for your special someone in your life?
A little bit nipply out.
No, come on.
The haunted road.
Seriously.
Keeping up okay?
Oh, yeah.
I remember the first time we went over this road. We were like, what the hell?
I know. This is the noise it was making. We were like, what in the world is going on?
I don't think we've been through it in our Model 3, though. I'm curious how much louder it is in that car.
Yes.
Good turn.
Yeah.
It is getting better on the turns, like a little smoother.
Mm-hmm.
Instead of like flying through a turn
Yeah.
and then slamming on the brakes, realizing it's gone too fast.
Mm-hmm.
That has improved. And hey, now we get to actually turn left out of our neighborhood.
Yeah.
Although now it takes that turn really weird. I'm really afraid in the winter it might try to clip that.
I think it's going to clip that concrete curbing. Yeah.
On that divider.
Yeah. The island.
Yeah, the lane divider.
Yep. And it's selecting the left, trying to get left there.
Nope, it wasn't that. It was right to go straight, left to go straight.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, no, it's been doing that where it's flipped both to signal, I'm going straight. If I do neither, thus it must go straight. Remember for a while it had a hard time turning on this because of the
color of that pavement.
Yeah, I was like, wait, whoa, whoa, what is this? All right, it had a hard time with this turn yesterday. Better.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why on the navigation I had that section of road as a red.
Hmm.
No one's coming, so we're gonna encourage it to go. Here we go. Speed okay?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I didn't realize there was a ballot drop box there. See, these are things you get to enjoy when you have FSD. I'm going to encourage it. This is what I did yesterday. I would not get in the
It was
correct
lazy
lane.
to get in the left lane. And then it was also lazy to get in the turn lane, too.
Yeah. So I initiated it.
You encouraged it. But this is actually similar to the same behavior it was doing yesterday, even with that encouragement.
Okay. And we're going to encourage it to go because there's no one coming. A lot of encouragements.
Yeah.
Right to go straight?
Well, you guys, if you are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this insane YouTube algorithm. I'm Grace Shot Down alongside Doggone Sci-Fi. This has been another full self-drive aerial perspective video of Tesla's 11.4.9 full self-driving software stack.
So should not want to go. Excellent. Good. Had a hard time with this turn yesterday. Better today. Some things are better.
Mhm.
Some things are about the same. Some
Yep.
things are worse. I think the turn signals are actually like the random
Worse.
turn signals are actually worse.
The phantom turn signals, I think, might actually be worse.
Yeah, I think the phantom turn signals are worse.